Hi everyone, Pamela Alexander with BizLinks TV Network on location at the 13th Annual Atlanta Tribune Moving Your Business Forward Conference. We have had a wonderful day, and I have with us the editor of the Atlanta Tribune, the magazine, Catris. Catris, welcome.
Thank you.
Now tell everyone kind of what Moving Your Business Forward is all about.
Moving Your Business Forward is our opportunity throughout the year to offer our readers hands-on information that we provide in the magazine every month, give you access to the experts that you don't always have access to.
I mean, it is great. I've attended for many years, and you do 3 parts throughout the year, so there's other opportunities for you all to make sure that you make it out. And you do a section always on procurement for businesses that are looking for opportunities, and then we get a chance with Constant Contact to come out. Sometimes they let us get on stage and talk about email marketing best practices. And tell us about maybe some of the other topics that you all often...
We really try to focus on the topics that we focus on in the magazine. So it could be wealth building sometimes a lot of times, supplier diversity, technology, marketing, any kind of tools that we can offer small business owners that will help them to save some money in the long run, but also do more with less as a small business.
Okay, we love that. And everything, we want you to make sure that you support the Atlanta Tribune, the magazine. They're not just a magazine. They also have some great events that they do all of the time. Catris, tell everyone how they can get in touch and how they can get involved and engage with Atlanta Tribune.
If you're interested in finding out more about our events, you can sign up on our e-newsletter on our website at atlantatribune.com. You can sign up there for if you want business conferences, if you would like to come to receptions, which are the cover parties, or if you would like to come into our partner events. Also, you'll get the e-blast that will let you know what's going on, what's upcoming. We have another Moving Your Business Forward conference coming up in July, so you can go to our website under Events tab and find out about that.
Fantastic. Catris, thank you so much. Thank the Atlanta Tribune for putting this on. It is just a great opportunity to meet businesses and to really learn how we can grow and build our businesses. We appreciate the efforts that you all put out for this.
Thank you.
Absolutely, everyone. I'm Pamela Alexander with BizLinks TV Network on location at the 13th Annual Atlanta Tribune Moving Your Business Forward. Remember, with BizLinks TV Network, we want to expose your business to the world.